Deciding on the spot, mastering spontaneous decisions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common English phrase that often puzzles learners: decide on the spot. This expression is all about making decisions, but with a twist that involves spontaneity and immediacy. Stay with us as we break down its meaning, usage, and share some examples to help you understand how to use it in everyday conversations. Decide on the spot refers to making a decision at the moment, without any prior planning or extended thought. When someone decides on the spot, they're responding to a situation immediately, using the information and feelings they have right there and then. This phrase emphasizes the spontaneity and urgency of the decision-making process. It's as if you're standing on a metaphorical spot and must choose a direction to step in without delay. This expression is useful in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are some scenarios where it might come up. In everyday decisions, for instance, choosing what to order at a restaurant when the waiter is waiting for your order. During meetings or discussions, when someone asks for your opinion or a decision needs to be made quickly to move forward. In emergency or unexpected situations, where quick thinking and immediate action are necessary. When using this phrase, it often goes along with verbs like had to, need to, or will have to. For example, I had to decide on the spot whether to accept the job offer. Let's look at some sentences to see how decide on the spot can be used in real-life situations. When the flight got canceled, we had to decide on the spot to either wait for the next flight or book a hotel for the night. During the game, the coach decided on the spot to change the strategy, which ultimately led to our victory. She was offered a role in the play and had to decide on the spot. It was an opportunity she couldn't miss. Deciding on the spot is all about making quick decisions without the luxury of time to ponder. It's a skill that involves trust in one's instincts and the ability to assess situations rapidly. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at making those on-the-spot decisions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos on English language learning.